Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Zango, and today this is going to be the 12th video in the series of the PHP course. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make the homepage for the blog that we're building. And basically, let me just give you the template hierarchy for WordPress Codex just to explain to you guys what we're going to be doing today. So if you go to the WordPress template hierarchy, you're just going to find something called here home.php, alright? What home.php is basically is we have a single.php, we have an index.php. So let me just simplify this for you. If you have a home.php, basically it's going to override your index.php and everything else in your front page. So basically it's going to be your front page. Whatever else you're going to show up here in your home page is going to be basically here. Right now I don't have a home.php, but we're going to create one. So if we're going to go into our root folder and just create a new file that is going to name home.php. Right now if I refresh this, it's gonna show up an empty page because I don't have anything right now in home.php. But let me get this helper code that I ripped before. And actually, almost half of the code we already ripped before in the previous lessons. So all you're gonna do is just get the header. So you're gonna open up a PHP tag. Let me just do that quickly. Alright, and just get the header. Close that. And then we're gonna do something called include, where we already made the slider, which is already connected to the posts. So we're just gonna include that from the included folder and just pick the slider. So as you can see right now, if we refresh the page, basically the slider is going to be showing up right now in the home page. And let me just add any test text test home page. So here it is. Right, let me just echo that, I'm sorry. Refresh that, and here it is, the test home page. So right now we just added the previous slider that we did. I'm just going to show you guys how to make an if statement and loop over that function. Let me just copy the code that I read before so we don't waste you guys time in this video. So I'm just going to explain the if statement and the while loop. Alright, so basically what an if statement is, it's a normal if statement of PHP. You can find it in the documents as well. It's like any if statement, any other programming language. If something happens, then do an action. So, like for example, here, if A is bigger than B, then please echo A is bigger than B. For example, this is from the documents of PHP itself. So let me show you how we apply this with WordPress. So right now we have this if statement, and in it we have half posts. So basically we're telling WordPress if half posts, please start a while loop with the post itself that's in the post. And you see this comment that I have over here, the loop code after the PHP tag, whatever we have over here is going to be looped over. So basically if we have like 10 posts or whatever posts, like number posts that's in here, basically the loop is just gonna do that over and over and over again. So let me just refresh that so you could see what happened here. You're gonna see all the posts that's on the page. So basically we looped over all the posts that's in the page, and right now you could see the post itself. If we enter into it, you're gonna find the single.php post that we made before in the previous video. So here it is. So this is basically how you make a home.php. You're just gonna create a home.php file in your root folder, add the styling, and also include if you have like a slider you want to add or whatever you want from your included folder. Then you're gonna do an if statement with a while loop, and after that while loop you're just gonna add the code you want to be looped over. And over here, like I said before, I just have the image. I explained that before, just with the post thumbnail URL as the source. And I also have a paragraph over here with the title of the post itself. And finally, this is the format for the time. And also you could do the author, but I'm going to do the author in another video. It's going to be called the author. And one last thing, when you do an if statement and a while statement, you just gotta end those, alright? So in PHP, you just gotta end those, alright? You're just gonna open up a PHP tag, and inside that, you're just gonna end the while loop, and end the if statement. All right. And finally, the last thing I added to the homepage is just the footer. So this is how it looks like for now. And basically, you can style it wherever you like, however you like. But for now, this is good enough. So again, the purpose of this lesson was just for you to understand the if statement and the while statement. Alright, thank you so much guys for watching the 12th video in this series. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video where I'm gonna be explaining basically how to make the author for this blog post, and later on gonna be the comments. So just watch out for the next video. See you guys next time. This was Ango, and you guys have a beautiful day.